This picture shows the Tredegar Town Clock, which still stands today in the middle of the town. To the right of the clock is number 10 The Circle. Upstairs in this building would become the main office for the Tredegar Medical Aid Society, which would go on to inspire the National Health Service. Here it is shown as an organ shop, and recently, during building work, this main sign has been rediscovered and still in place and will go on display in the museum. On the left of the clock is the Black Prince Inn. Here miners and steel workers would end their day by spending their wages on alcohol after a busy day. Sadly, this large building no longer exists, and it was demolished to make way for the library and the museum, which now stands in its place.